everyone, and welcome back to Talk Easy English. I'm Sarah.
Hi, Sarah, and hi to all our wonderful listeners. It's so great to be back with you today.
Yes, David. I'm so happy to see everyone here. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling fantastic. How about you?
I'm great, and I'm really excited about today's topic.
Oh, what's the topic?
It's the one question we hear all the time from English learners. I understand English, but I just can't speak.
Ah, yes. That's a huge problem. So many people tell me, I can watch movies, I can listen to podcasts, but when I try to speak, my brain just stops.
Exactly. It's like your voice is locked. But today, we're going to unlock it with 8 powerful tips.
That sounds amazing.
Before we start, a small favor. If you enjoy this podcast, please give us a like and hit subscribe. It really helps us create more lessons for you.
And comment below too. Tell us which tip you find most helpful. We love reading your stories. Tip 1. Active listening and shadowing.
Okay, tip number 1, active listening. David, tell us what that means.
Many people understand English passively. Maybe they're listening while cooking or walking. They understand, but they're not really focusing.
That's right. Active listening is when you really pay attention and repeat what you hear.
Repeat? Like shadowing?
Exactly. Shadowing is when you listen and immediately try to say the same sentence, like being a shadow of the speaker.
Oh, wow. That sounds a bit difficult.
Don't worry. Start small, one sentence at a time. Listen, pause, repeat. Then move to the next one.
So I'm not just hearing English. I'm practicing it, forming the sounds, the rhythm.
Yes, you're training your ears and your mouth together. Shadowing is fun, and it works.
Tip 2. Create your English mode. Okay, tip 2.
English mode? Set a special time each day where you only speak and think in English.
Like being a secret English superhero?
Exactly. Even just 5 to 10 minutes, you can talk to yourself, narrate your day.
Talk to myself? People might think I'm crazy.
Only when you're alone. Say things like, I'm making coffee. Where's the milk? Or, I'm walking to the park. The sun is shining.
Ah, so it's like practice for real situations. My brain has to work.
Exactly. Your brain learns to produce English, not just understand it.
Tip 3. Learn chunks, not single words. Tip 3.
Stop memorizing individual words. Instead, learn chunks, phrases, or sentence starters.
Chunks, like pieces of cake.
Not cake chunks. Chunks are ready-to-use phrases. For example, that's a good point. You know what I mean? Let me see.
Oh. So I can use them immediately without thinking about grammar.
Yes, it saves time and makes your speech more natural. Your brain can focus on the next idea.
These are like shortcuts for fluency.
Exactly, David. Remember, chunks, not single words.
Tip 4. Speak every day.
Tip 4. Speak every single day, even if it's just 5 or 10 minutes.
But Sarah, I'm so busy. Work, family, I don't have time.
That's okay. 5 minutes daily is better than 2 hours once a week. English is a skill like playing piano or football. Muscles grow with practice.
Ah, I see. Practice every day keeps my brain active. Tip 5. Record yourself.
Tip 5. Record your voice. Use your phone's voice recorder.
Oh no, I hate hearing my own voice. And my accent, it's not perfect.
David, your accent is yours. Don't worry. Recording yourself helps you notice what's good and what to improve. It's private, pressure-free, and very effective.
How do I practice?
Ask yourself simple questions like, "What did I do today?" Then answer in English. Listen, repeat, and practice.
Oh, I see. I am my own teacher, and there's no one judging me.
Exactly. It's a safe space for practice.
Tip 6. Role play. Tip 6?
Role play, pretend situations at a restaurant, at the airport, or a job interview.
But who do I talk to? My cat?
Yes, or a wall. Pretend, imagine, speak out loud. For example,
Hello, sir? Welcome. What would you like to order?
"I'll have a pizza, please. And water." See? Fun and effective. This trains your brain to respond in English naturally.
Wow. So when I'm at a real restaurant, my brain won't freeze.
Exactly. Practice makes your speaking automatic and confident.
Tip 7. Mistakes. Your best friend. Okay, tip 7, the scariest one for me. Mistakes.
Don't be afraid. Mistakes are your best friends.
Friends. But mistakes are bad. Red marks on tests.
In speaking, mistakes are proof. Proof that you are trying, that you are brave, that you are learning.
Oh, so mistakes mean I'm brave?
Exactly. Fluency comes after mistakes, not before. The goal is communication, not perfection.
Communication, not perfection. Got it. I can focus on speaking instead of being scared.
Yes, and that's powerful. Don't let fear stop you.
Tip 8. Practice responding. And the last tip?
Tip 8. Practice responding. Listening is passive. A conversation is two-way. Listen, speak, listen, speak.
But I don't have anyone to talk to.
You can use AI chatbots, apps, or friends who are learning English. Ask and answer questions. Train your brain to reply quickly.
Oh, so I practice real conversations, not just listening.
Exactly. This is the key to confidence. Active listening plus thinking in English plus responding equals fluency bridge.
Wow, Sarah, these tips are amazing. I feel like I can really start speaking English now.
You can, David. And remember, listeners, every small step counts. Even 5 minutes a day builds progress.
Shadowing, English mode, chunks, daily speaking, recording, role play, mistakes, responding. All 8 tips are so practical.
Yes, and remember, your voice is the bridge from understanding to connection. Speak every day, even imperfectly, and confidence will grow.
And the best part? You can start right now.
Exactly. Pick one tip today. Try shadowing or record your voice or role play. Small steps lead to big improvements. Before we wrap up, let's share some super useful phrases you can use every day.
I love phrases. Makes speaking so much easier.
First, for sharing your thoughts. I think that, or in my opinion. Example, I think practicing every day really helps.
I can also say, in my opinion, recording myself is powerful. That feels natural.
Perfect. Next, for agreement, I agree with you, or that's true. You can also say exactly or absolutely.
Oh, yes. Those little words make a conversation sound real.
And for expressing feelings, I feel nervous, but I'm trying. I feel proud of my progress. Simple, but very strong.
So I can say, I feel excited to practice English today. Nice.
Let's do a mini practice session, listeners. Repeat after us.
I can speak English. I make mistakes, and that's okay. I practice every day.
I am confident. I use chunks and phrases. I enjoy speaking English.
I listen, I respond, I grow. I am brave. I speak from my heart.
Amazing. Even saying this once today gives your brain practice and builds confidence.
Sarah, sometimes I feel overwhelmed. What if I forget the tips?
That's normal, David. You don't need to remember everything at once. Focus on one tip today, one tip tomorrow. Consistency matters more than perfection.
And if I make mistakes?
Mistakes are gold. They show you are learning. Each mistake is progress.
I get it. Speak every day, respond actively, and practice without fear. That's the plan.
Exactly. You are not just learning English words. You are learning to connect, express yourself, and share your story.
Let's quickly recap the 8 powerful tips for our listeners.
Tip 1. Shadowing. Listen and repeat actively.
Tip 2. Create your English mode. Talk to yourself daily.
Tip 3. Learn chunks, not single words. Ready-to-use phrases.
Tip 4. Speak every day. Even 5 or 10 minutes is enough.
Tip 5. Record your voice. Listen, improve, and grow.
Tip 6. Role play. Pretend situations like ordering food.
Tip 7. Make friends with mistakes. They prove courage.
Tip 8. Practice responding. Train your brain to reply in real time.
Remember, listeners, these tips work together. They move English from your ears to your mouth.
Sarah, I feel motivated to start practicing right now.
You can, David. And listeners, you can too. Pick one tip today. Repeat it tomorrow. Step by step, day by day, your English voice will unlock.
Shadowing. Speaking. Recording. Role play. Small steps every day. That's how fluency grows.
And never forget, your voice matters. Speak with heart, not just grammar. That's the true bridge to connection.
And the best part? You will enjoy every step of learning English.
Yes. Learning English can be fun, friendly, and empowering. And remember, mistakes are just friends helping you grow. Before we end, listeners, please like this episode if you enjoyed it.
Subscribe to Talk Easy English channel so you never miss new tips.
And comment below. Tell us which tip you'll try first. Shadowing, role play, or recording.
We love reading your answers. It's so inspiring to see you practice and grow.
That's all for today, friends. Keep practicing. Keep speaking.
Remember, every sentence you speak is a step closer to confidence.
And every mistake is a sign of courage.
Thank you for joining us today. Until next time.
Keep speaking, keep learning, and keep enjoying English. Bye, everyone.